Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and yesterday we are doing devil eggs. Yes, the name says it all. It's easy, super easy I would say, and really tasty and really quick meal and loaded with proteins and the essential fats what you require. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. So here are our devil eggs. It's a great meal for your lunch, for your dinner, if it is combined with probably a mug of soup and some little salad on its side. It's a complete meal because it's loaded with proteins and essential fats. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, information and Mahek's core pilates. That means everything you require about fitness on one platform. That's BodyProCoach. Thank you so much. See you next time.